Hawaii Pacific University has a brand new Doctor of Physical Therapy program that takes their students in and out of the classroom in just 2 years.
There's a demand for physical therapists here in Hawaii and across the Western U.S. Hawaii Pacific University's Doctor of Physical Therapy program is the first and only physical therapy program here in the state. We're excited to welcome our first cohort, and our Doctor of Physical Therapy program is part of the College of Health and Society here at Hawaii Pacific University, where our program will have the opportunity to collaborate with other programs here at the university, such as social work, nursing, and our public health program. The mission of the Doctor of Physical Therapy program is to prepare movement specialists who provide evidence-informed, collaborative, and empathic care to their patients. Our program is committed to building a professional ohana of diverse and open-minded leaders who anticipate and respond to the needs of the community, and differs from many DPT programs in the country in that students can finish their program in 24 months instead of the traditional 3-year DPT program. Another unique feature of our program is its hybrid model. So what this means is students can learn from home wherever they live with online education, and for up to 2 weeks each 8-week academic term, they come to campus with our faculty for on-site hands-on labs.
We have a 13-person team with years of both clinical and academic experience. And although most of our team will be working remotely for the distance learning portion of the program, we will be hosting in-person labs at our downtown campus, where we will be working hands-on with our students. By the time students graduate, they will have spent 32 weeks in a clinical setting, applying their skills and knowledge under the supervision of a licensed physical therapist. Physical therapy is in such a need right now, especially in Hawaii, because there's an aging population, there are a number of chronic conditions that need to be treated, and physical therapy can treat patients in so many different settings. Clinical placements may include outpatient orthopedic and sports clinics, inpatient settings, neurorehabilitation, pediatric clinics, pelvic health, and more. If you would like to enroll or learn more about the physical therapy program at HPU, please head to hpu.edu.
Brought to you by Hawaii Pacific University.